Today's session question determinant is given. Okay, question asks to prove this determinant equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. Now this is the formula. Okay, before going to get this expression, there is one more expression is there. If you know that expression, and it is easy to get this answer. Okay, I will write that expression first here. X plus y plus z, then x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, if you get these two factors, and this is equals to this answer. Okay, x plus y plus z multiply x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This, the product of these two factors is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus minus 3xyz. Okay, during solving these questions, if you get any one of the factors, okay, any one of the factors, we will take that factors out common out of the determinant. That's why try to get either these factors or this factor. We will do on the base of these two factors. We can't get this answer directly. Okay, before going to get this expression, try to get these two factors. Okay, the product of these two factors equals to this expression, because these two are the formula. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the formula. Okay, but they are given in the x, y, z. Okay, now I think you got the idea. We can't get this expression directly. Before this expression, try to find any one expression out of these two. If you get any one expression from this determinant by using the property, take that common, okay, out of the determinant. Okay, now I will explain by solving these questions. Y plus z, x plus y, x, z plus x, y plus z, y, x plus y, z plus x, z equals to, okay, we will write later on. Now this is the determinant, the left hand side. After solving this determinants, we have to get that right hand side. Okay, before going to get this answer, try to find these two factors. Okay, let's try to find. Now look at here, in this first column, what is there? This is a combination of three letters x, y, z. Okay, this is a combination of three letters x, y, z is there. Y, z is there. X is missing from here. Z, x is there. Y is missing from here. X, y is there. Z is missing from here. If you add, if you change this column 1, if you change this column 1 change to column 1 plus column 3, then what will you get? X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. That means we are getting these first factors. Okay, I think you got the clue how to operate these determinants. If you add these two, you will not get x plus y plus z, because x is there, z is not there, y x is not there, y is not there. That's why first step is C1 change to C1 plus C3, because their sum is we are getting x plus y plus z. Once again check it. C1 plus C3, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. That means we have first operation case, first operation formula is C1 change to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If we do this one, we are going to get this first factor, and then we will take that factors out of the determinants. I think you got the idea. First observe the questions. Okay, first observe the questions and try to utilize the column 1 change to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, or R1 change to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But I made mistake. This is not the correct. If we add all these three, we are not going to get this x plus y plus z. To get this x plus y plus z, we need to add only C1 plus C3. Okay, only C1 plus C3. C1 plus C3. Only will give the x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Okay. Now let's apply this operation formula here. Only C1 is going to change, others remain same. Now y plus z is there and x is there. We are adding these two columns. That means x plus y plus z, and z plus x is there and plus y. That means their sum is x plus y plus z. X plus y is there plus z. Their sum is x plus y plus z. And others remain same because only column 1 is changing. We are changing column 1 change to column 1 plus column 3. Okay, others remain same. X plus y, y plus z, z plus x, x, y, z. Now you see the same factor is there in the right hand side. That means take this factor out of the determinants. Okay, we are going to take the common x plus y plus z from C1. Okay, whatever there in the right hand side, if the same factors you are getting in the determinant, try to take the common. Now taking x plus y plus z. Okay, x plus y plus z common from C1. Okay, that means x plus y plus z we are taking common. Then what is taken from here? 1, 1, 1. Okay, we are taking common from C1, not from others columns. And others remain same. X plus y, y plus z, z plus x, x, y, z. Okay. Now, our main aim to solve the determinants, our main aim to get at least 2 0. Okay, main aim to get at least 2 0 along any rows or column. Okay, that's why now after making 1 it is easy to make 0. That's why let's use the formula. Okay, R1 change to R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1 0. Then R2 change to R2 minus R3, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, if you make any 2 zeros along any row in column, then after expanding we get the right answer or right hand side. Now let's apply the formula. R1 change to R1 minus R2 and R2 change to R2 minus R3. Now we are going to use this formula. X plus y plus z. Now R1 change to R1 minus R2. That means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Then x plus y minus y plus z. X plus y minus, it has two terms, always put inside the bracket because minus sign is very dangerous. Then y plus z. Then x minus y. X minus y. Now second, R2 change to R2 minus R3. R2 change to R2 minus R3. That means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Then y plus z. Y plus z. Y plus z minus z plus x. Then y minus z. Y minus z. Then R3 is remains there is many change. Okay, we are changing R1 and R2. Now 1 z plus x z. It's simplified. X plus y plus z. Then 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Then 1. Now x plus y minus y plus z. Then minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Then plus y minus y. Their sum is 0. And plus y minus also cancelling. What is left from here? X minus z. X minus z. Then minus plus minus z, minus plus minus x, z minus z is 0. Then y minus x. Y minus x. Then z plus x. Here this remains z because they are unlike terms. Now, after making two zeros along any row and column, I always do expanding now because there is none of the things are common. If there is any common factors there, we can take that as common out of the determinants. If there is no common and we make the two zeros along any row and column, then do the expanding. Now we are going to do the expanding along C1. Okay? Expanding along C1 and x plus y plus z. Now we are not going to do for these two elements because 0 multiply any minus or any factor is 0 or any number is 0, that means this is 0 and this is also 0. Then what is the sign of this one? This is third row, first column. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 means even. Even means the sign is plus 1. Now get the minor of this element. Third row, first column. Third row, first column. What are left? That are column. That is minor. Okay. Third row, first column. You can cancel it also. Okay. That means what are there? That is a minor. X minus z, y minus z, y minus x, or y minus z. X minus z, x minus y. Sorry, I made mistake here. What is there? Y, x minus z, then x minus y. X minus y, y minus x, y minus x, y minus z. Now it's correct. Now simplify it by using the order to determines formula, and x plus y plus z, then 1, then get the product of these two, x minus z multiply y minus z, then put the minus sign, then multiply another pair, y minus x, then x minus y. Now simplify it. X plus y plus z. Now get their product. X multiply y, xy. X multiply minus z minus xz. Minus multiply plus minus, z multiply y, yz. Minus minus plus, z multiply z, z square. And minus sign, with this minus sign, don't use this minus sign, first get the product. Okay, first get the product. Y multiply x, xy, plus multiply minus, y multiply y, y square, minus plus minus, x multiply x, x square, minus minus plus, x multiply y, x square. Now, okay, I'll do it here. X plus y plus z, then xy minus zx minus zx minus yz minus yz minus yz. Now take this minus and multiply all these terms. Minus plus minus xy minus minus plus y squared minus minus plus x squared minus plus minus xy. Now this plus xy and minus xy cancel. Now I get this plus z squared. Okay, plus z squared is there. Okay, okay there. And then here xy, then minus zx minus yz, then plus z square, then minus plus minus xy, minus minus plus y square minus minus plus x square, then minus xy. Now this plus xy and minus xy, they are solved is 0. Now write the remaining terms. X plus y plus z. Then what is left? Let's write x square first. X square plus y square plus z square. Then minus xy. Then minus yz. And minus zx. Now look at here. I already said x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz means x product of x plus y plus z multiply x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z. Now we got the same factor, and this means equals to this expression. Okay. Now the product of these two factors equals to this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That means this is the main important part, and remember the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the formula, and we need the factors. Okay, we can get the answer directly, and before this, what expression is there, what factor is there, please remember this factor. This is directly related to the formula. After getting these two factors, the product equals to final expression. Now this is equals to right hand side. After going through this video, please try to solve all the questions from your textbook. There are many questions there, and if you need some kind of help, please comment us. Okay, and we'll meet in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and keep social distance.